Hello, viewers. Today we have a 1994 Hunter Infinity ceiling fan. This is installed in my parents' bedroom. Um, it's a really good fan. It gets used quite a bit. This is in the same room with the Harbor Breeze Classic Style I just got a video of, which I'm actually going to turn that down a little bit. So this has a unknown. I think it's Mao Chan. No, I think that's. I think it's actually a Shai Chen and or Alaska light kit. This came with a four-way adjustable light kit, like a spotlight kit. But I'm going to start off with the light. There's the light. I'm going to turn the fan on. I'm going to go high, work my way down. This is the second Hunter ceiling fan installed in my house at this time. It's a pretty good fan. It has a little wobble to it. If you notice, I had to use my Casablanca down rod as it came with a longer down rod. Here's medium speed. I was planning on putting this in my dining room, but it's too heavy for that box to hold. So it ended up migrating its way in here. And I think it looks really cool in my parents' room. It has a little bit of a hum, but it's not too bad. Not too really annoying either. Low. I'm going to go ahead, put it on and reverse it. Just same way I've been doing. Here's high. Here's medium speed. Here's low speed. And off. I'm gonna reverse it back here for you guys. Where's for my parents? I'll set this back to how they like it. And wait for it to spin down. Now this fan takes a while to spin down.